Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to read Telegram messages without seen. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. So right now I'm going to share with you 2 ways to read Telegram message without seen. First way, use airplane or aeroplane mode. When you receive a message on Telegram that you want to read silently, enable airplane mode. Launch Telegram and read the message. After you have completed reading it, close the app and remove it from recent tabs. Disable the airplane mode and turn off your mobile data or Wi-Fi. You can read the entire conversation using this method and without being seen. Second way, read message from the lock screen on notification panel. Telegram provides you the option to turn on message previews in the settings, by the help of which you can silently read the new message straight from the lock screen and the notification panel. So follow me to turn on read message option. So click on this menu icon and go to settings and select notification and sounds. Select the category of chat that you want these settings to apply to. You can select private chats, groups or channels. So I'm going to selecting here private chats. Turn on message preview. So now every time a new message arrives, you can expand and see it from either your lock screen or your notification panel without anyone knowing. So this was 2 ways we can read Telegram messages without seen. If you think to see more Telegram videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thanks for watching.